How much have you raised? Joan, how much have you raised?
I don't know.
Nearly £1,700. Can we have a cheer?
Hip, 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 hip.
Hooray! You've got a long nose, haven't you?
Yes, I've always had a long nose.
Did you just say Richard's got a long nose?
Philip hasn't got a long nose. Neither. I think Nigel's nose is more like yours.
Joan, they say as you get older, your nose and your ears grow, so the boy's got it to come, but not yet.
Is that right?
That's true. That's the only thing that keeps growing as you get older. Yeah, I didn't like to tell you that Rosie was coming because Philip's running late. Yeah? Well, that's okay.
You darling.
They've been kissing, Rosie? They've been kissing on the bench? Yeah, they did. Go on, Richard, smile. Stop it. Misty! Where's Granny? Misty! Where's your Granny? Where's your Granny? Where's your Granny?
That's your granddad.
Who is it? Who is it? Who is it, Joan?
Misty! Come on. Come on.
Hello.
You gave it away.
Misty!
Hello!
Those for me.
How the devil are you? This is a Scottish speaking Elmo.
That's for me.
Oh, you done so well. This is a Scottish speaking Elmo. I've heard you've been walking for charity.
Yes.
You've done a fantastic job, Joan.
Thank you.
And all these people here were just willing me to come and say hello and bring you some flowers. You've done so well.
lovely.
I don't think you get
So
this
the
one.
he'd had hooder. Here's some flowers on behalf of all the family. Well done. Jane, for your walk. They're heavy.
Joan, give Elmo a kiss.
Oh, they're beautiful.
And don't forget, it's also Miss T's second birthday today. Happy birthday, Miss T. Happy birthday, Miss T. Happy birthday, Miss T. Happy birthday, Miss T. What do
Hey!
you think of a Scottish accent?
Not a lot.
It wasn't too bad, was it? That's Irish. Oh, I've just switched to Irish now. But I must go, I've got to save the world.
Five Mistral. Where did you get that from?